Imagine stepping into a living room that feels like a breath of fresh air, calm, chic, and clutter-free. Let's explore how you can create the stylish minimalist look starting today. Step 1. Decluttering. A minimalist living room begins with removing excess items, leaving only what's functional and beautiful. Neutral tones like whites, grays, and beiges create a calming atmosphere while making your space look larger and more elegant. Choose furniture that's both functional and stylish. Think multi-use coffee tables or sleek consoles with hidden storage. Bring life to your living room with nature-inspired decor like potted plants or fresh flowers. It adds vibrancy without creating clutter. Lighting transforms a room. Let natural light flood your space during the day, and use warm, ambient lighting at night for a cozy vibe. Minimalism is more than a style, it's a way to create calm and focus in your life. With these tips, you can design a living room that feels like your personal oasis. Start your minimalist journey today.